the Jamaican Don Dada. He's a man of few words, mostly because he's too busy perfecting his serious face.
Hey boy, how are you? You know how me.
The Don Dada always wears his trademark hat. Some say to hide his emotions, others say he's just really into hats. Either way, it's a look that says, "Don't mess with me or my collection."
Yo, them man, they a real bad man, girl. Me not play with them people the last time me see man. Light post me have to lick up in a me.
With a limp that adds a certain mystique, the Don Dada glides down the streets like a fearsome flamingo, bringing both respect and a giggle. He might not be the fastest, but trust me, he's the most formidable slowpoke you'll ever meet.
Me no want to see you back around here, boy. Know that, you know.
Yeah, man, a serious man. Him always have him hat on their name face.
A master of the serious look, he's taught us all an important lesson. Sometimes it pays to take life seriously, just as long as you don't forget to laugh a little on the way. So here's to the Jamaican Don Dada, 1 part fearsome, 2 parts fabulous. After all, who says you can't be both feared and adored?
You see him coming, and you just know. You better have your business in order.